guys, it's Clara and Chelsea. Today we are going to go to Haneul Park. So right here you'll have to form a line so you can see pretty leaves. You'll have to ride a bus to go to the park, and then there's little Korean children walking down the streets, and then there's a little grown-up leader here, and then they were running, and then that means they fell down, and then when the other one fell down, well, domino. Well, look at these pretty thingies. When you blow it, something will like fly, see? So like, it's hard to blow, so we just shake it. But don't break it, or else Korea will get mad at you. See? But we didn't break it. Little people, little Korean people with a little donut for the leader. And then when they were walking, they were like talking about that. You'll see little people there. You'll see the little people, and then that little leader. And then when they walk, and then they were look at this, Chelsea. Wow, jump. And look at this, Chelsea. Chelsea, look at these pretty flowers. They're fake. They're not fake, they're real. But when I felt them, they're like fake. You feel them for themselves. Go to Korea. Thank you, Sor and Sail, for arranging our trip here, and it's like we're VIPs, really. It's like you can have a fun time with your family here. Next, we went to lunchtime. I was really hungry. Stop laughing. So we have these big bowls. These bowls that have egg in them. Then I removed all the other things I don't like. But you're supposed to eat all of them. You have to mix it with some kimchi and things so like thingy. But next we went to the ice cream museum. I thought it was ice cream. I love this place. It's like so slippery. Oh yeah, in that part, that big slide, we were supposed to put something there, but our butts got so wet, we were supposed to put something. Oh yeah, all of the things there was made out of real ice. We were like stuck in a freezer like polar bears. Ew! Mom, stop kissing! Scoot, it's Arthur to take a picture! Well, we saw the train, right, Chelsea? Yeah. Choo-choo! And then we saw this place. We went in the door, there was no one inside, and then we went to the bed to sleep for a while, and then we saw this piano. We started playing it, and then since we went in there, we saw these huge little chairs that were slippery. We can't go in. I need a pee! We took a little poo. We took lots of pictures, and it was so freezing. There's Trick Eye Museum. Trick Candy Museum. Chelsea floating.
What are you doing?
Staring contest. I lost. Crazy. What? We have to go away. These are sharp. I don't like his breath stinks. but it stinks like fire. We're going get church. We're surrounded by sharks. No, we didn't know what it was, but we were actually supposed to go surfing on the sharks. Here, you have to download this app to make things look real. We downloaded the app. It looks so much better. You need to download it.
Feels like we're in a bottle where the bird's trying to get us.
He's about to eat me. Roll away.
We cracked the glass. I don't like those dolphins.
They're always kissing. They won't stop. Well, next I became a mermaid. I became pretty mermaid. I don't want to leave there, but when you leave there, you're not allowed to go back in. And there's also another one that's a love museum, but kids are not allowed. So if you are a kid, then you're not allowed there. Look at Chelsea's big tutu, but so small. We were gonna be eaten. No.
And then we jumped out.
We have to hold on before the snake eats us. Mommy, Daddy, we're stuck. Help me, Chelsea.
Ooh, shut. Dodge. I dodge.
Look at Chelsea's weird poses.
I'm dodging. Yeah. I was just chilling. Lay down. Okay.
We go dancing.
And then
we go dancing.
Well, the girl wiggles her butt and the boy dances with his butt. I'm waking up with my wings. Take your hands off me.
I wanna be free. Let me free. Come on. Let me free for a little second, please.
Money.
Ooh, money.
I'm so rich. I'm a moonlight.
I like that picture. But I don't like this. I look weird.
Cinderella, no.
So weird. You have to take a picture and then choose the design you want. You want Santa Claus. Why did like that? We kind of cheated in this game though.
I wanted to put the whole book in there. And then if we just touched it,
We just did. Next we went to Hongdae and Youthful Street.
Anyway, yeah, if you want
Yay!
to buy museum, follow me.
who's the most handsome?
Yay!
Who's the most,
Love gallery, ice gallery, and three guy museum.
Fathers,
Three guy museum, yeah,
my
follow me.
daddy, and your dad.
3D museum, 3D museum.
Your daddy is a daddy.
Well, next we went to find some things to eat and some things to buy.
And then I bought this bracelet with a bag with it. You'll see.
Well, these people are wearing like a kind of
Handbook.
yes.
Look.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. All these things here are not that expensive.
For Myeongdong, it's like 2,000, a 3,000, a 4,000.
How can it be 1 million? 1 million you'd be rich already. But look at there's some of them they were street food, so I got some.
Our daddy let us.
It was 1,500.
I didn't like it because the bread was kind of eggy.
But if you keep biting it, it will get more tastier and tastier.
And tastier, it will taste like bread. I meant egg. Yeah.
Eggish bread, breadish egg. there's it's like it's a kind of circle bread where there's an egg on
But
top.
next there's
That's
some
it.
we saw some dancers. They're practicing. A lot of dancers in Korea were dancing. So we did that.
They're not wearing a shirt. Look, see? She was wearing a shirt.
See, people in Korea are very good at dancing. Next, we went some crazy things.
We went from some more rocks on the water and then we went past.
Boy, I'm not on it.
Enough of that.
Well, me and Chelsea went to this mall before leaving. This was our last stop that we were allowed to do. Then we went to Minecraft.
I was stuck in the bear and then I tried to get up.
So it was the end. Goodbye.
We got a pass for shorter line. And our other friends are still lots of long. We are like VIP here. Yeah.
Come.
Let's go to the VIP line. This line is a bit shorter than the other one. It's absolutely. See you in Manila.
That's all for Korea. 감사합니다. Thank you, Soar and Sail Travel and Tour, for arranging our trip to Korea and going back.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite places that we've been to so far?
Myeongdong, Everland, Sky Park, and Ginseng. I like Ginseng, but it's kind of smelly because it's like magical. It's like
It's
a
herbs.
1 year old like this, and then it goes 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. 6 is
The
the
oldest ginseng. I'm
Yeah,
guessing that's
when
the
it's-
perfect time to eat it.
Yeah, when it's 6, it's like a really human body, but I'm 7, so before I was a ginseng.
You're a ginseng.
But I'm not anymore. I'm 7 already.
Okay, I used to be a ginseng.
But you're now 10.
I'm very far away. My favorite places were Everland, Myeongdong,
That's also
handbook. The handbook was the best part of all. I had to wear a nice,
pretty Korean dress.
it was so pretty. We kept taking pictures everywhere.
Like there.
And they were like, well, yeah. If you book right now from Soar and Sail Travel and Tour, you will have a worry-free trip going to Korea.
So if you go to Korea, you don't need to worry about your stuff like your food, your travel, because you have your worry free.
It's very, very affordable.
And enjoyable.
Yeah, you'd have so much fun. You'd see so much things. And yeah, right?
Nice.
Well, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, squish that like button and subscribe, like, comment down below.
If you like this video and
If you went to Korea, if you tried the handbook, and if you booked at Soar and Sail. Bye!
travel and tour.
Goodbye! Wait! Wait! Thank you, Atiana and Jay Kim, for taking good care of us for the entire week almost.
Well,
Well, if you're going to look for Atiana, she's right here. Yeah. So, goodbye now. For real this time. No more fake.
Well, we cannot show Jay because he already went out.
So, goodbye.